Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OE level past paper. Today, we shall discuss question number 8 of paper 3 pure mathematics, session by June 2023. In order to see the channel on the YouTube, please use this word, my Topper Student. You will find the channel, my Topper Student. For online help, please contact on this WhatsApp number. Now, in paper 3 pure mathematics session by June 2023, the question number 8 is part A. The variable x and y satisfy the differential equation dy over dx equal to 4 plus 9y square e raised to the power 2x plus 1. It is given that y equal to 0 when x equal to 1. Solve the differential equation obtaining an expression for y in terms of x. So in part A, first of all, the given value is dy over dx equal to 4 plus 9y square over e raised to the power 2x plus 1. Separate the variable means separate the variable y and x. So dy equal to 4 plus 9y square equal to dx equal to e raised by 2x plus 1. So by taking the common 9, we get 9 into 4 over 9 plus y square equal to e raised to the power minus into 2x plus 1. We are doing this because in order to apply the formula like this, integration dx over a square plus 1 over x equal to 1 over a tan inverse x over a, we are taking the common 9 so that we can compose this expression in some form of the formula given in the integration. So after this, we shall apply the formula on this. So 1 over a tan inverse x over a. We get 1 over 9 into 1 over a tan inverse x over a equal to e raised to minus 2x plus 1 over minus 2 derivative of the power plus c. The equation number 1. As given in the question statement, the condition is y equal to 0 at x equal to 1. So we shall put x equal to 1 and y equal to 0 in the equation number 1. After simplification, we get c equal to e raised by minus 3 over 2. We shall put value of c in equation number 1. When we put this value, we get 1 over 9 into 3 by 2 tan inverse 3y over 2 equal to minus 1 by 2 e raised by minus 2x plus 1 plus e raised to minus 3 over 2. After simplification, we get tan inverse 3y over 2 6 into minus e raised to minus 2x plus 1 over 2 plus e raised to minus 3 over 2. After simplification, we get 3 e raised to minus 3 e raised by minus 2x minus 1. So the value of y is 2 by 3 tan 3 and e raised to minus 3 e raised minus 2x minus 1. For the part B, state what happens to the value of y as x tends to infinity, given your answer in the form of exact form. So from part A, we have calculated y equal to 2 by 3 tan 3 e raised to minus 3 e raised to minus 2x minus 1. So according to the given condition of the question, when x tends to infinity, we put x tends to infinity. So at the place of x, we put infinity. 3 over infinity is equal to 0. So we get y, when x tends to infinity, then y tends to 2 by 3 tan 3 e raised by minus 3. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.